When we inhale, our stomach goes in, and when we exhale, our stomach comes out. However, this is not the right way of doing it. Today's topic is relearning the breath. Pranayama everyone, I welcome you to Sai Yoga. Relearning the breath seems like, so this guy wants to tell us how do we breathe. We need to actually relearn the art of breathing. We usually breathe like this. When we inhale, our stomach goes in, and when we exhale, our stomach comes out. However, this is not the right way of doing it. The right way is keeping the spine straight. If you're slouching, you have to understand that your abdominal region is contracting. This means it does not effectively allow you to breathe. So first you have to remember to keep your spine upright. Once you are having an upright spine, from here start to imagine your respiratory system like a balloon. So when breath comes inside, that balloon start to get bigger. But when you take the air out, it start to shrink, isn't it? In the very similar manner, our respiratory system works. So when we inhale, our chest and abdominal regions should expand. And when we exhale, the opposite of this should happen. This we call diaphragmatic breathing or yogic breathing. But when we let the chest, abdomen, clavicle, all three come out, then we call three-part breathing or yogic breathing. It has a deep science within, and it is extremely beneficial for humans. So, we inhale, chest is expanding, abdominal region expanding, and when we exhale, chest is going in and abdominal region is going inside. So this is the right way of doing breathing. Now I would like to add something over here, that this exercise or this just simple technique, the right way of breathing, can actually change the way you think. It also has neuroscience behind it. Even I would like to add something here. Many athletes and many professional coaches suggest this type of breathing while practicing various sports, while practicing any exercise, whether be it anaerobic, aerobic, strength training, conditional training, and so on and so forth. So this is the right way of breathing. And in addition to this, if it is possible for you, you can try to slowly lengthen your breathing. You can bring your breathing to 6 seconds of inhalation and 6 seconds of exhalation. And this is proven in research that it is the ideal length of our breathing. However, I would like to mention some contraindications over here. If you have a weak respiratory system, then you are more likely to experience hypoventilation. Hypoventilation happens when you take breathing inside, but it is not enough for your body. So this is why you sometimes may feel dizzy. It may cause difficulty breathing. So this was the thing. Another thing is we have to become mindful when we breathe. So we are actually telling our somatic nervous system to work and come over the autonomic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system composed of SNS and PNS. SNS is sympathetic nervous system, PNS is parasympathetic nervous system. So when the other part of ANS, the counterpart of ANS is the somatic nervous system. When we talk about somatic nervous system, when we feed our body to consciously breathe, then our neural pattern improves, and this helps you to fight stress, anxiety, depression, or any psychosomatic condition for that matter. It also helps in hypertension and hypotension, which are high blood pressure and low blood pressure. So I hope you will think about this, think about your breathing. And this was our topic today, where we learned the science of breath in addition to relearning the art of breath. Lastly, I have a bonus tip for you. If when you are starting, it may happen that you feel that 6 seconds of inhalation and 6 seconds of exhalation is too much for you, and that is completely all right. So in that case, you can begin with something like 3 seconds of inhalation, 3 seconds of exhalation. By the way, this practice, when you do in the right way, is also called Samavritti Pranayama. We may come up with another video where we will tell you more about Samavritti Pranayama. But here in this video, we were trying to tell you relearning the art of breath. In addition to this, lastly, I would like to add a question. Which muscle separates the abdominal cavity with the thoracic cavity? So make sure you write it down in the comment section below, and whoever writes the right answer, we will give a heart. And as always, have a sigh of relief.